Now from Leave It to Beaver to Leave It to Remington.
Isn't that the greatest? Imagine the drama club doing my play.
Gosh, Amy, how'd you ever get started?
Oh, one day my quiet writer and I got together and suddenly, inspiration.
Ah, you know, it is the greatest. The way a Remington quiet writer helps stimulate interest in the young people, brings out the best in them. You know something, the minute you get your hands on this wonderful portable, you find yourself with an urge to express yourself. Now, that can be mighty important, not only in school, but in later life, too. Now then, how do you feel that the quiet writer can bring out and do all these wonderful things? Well, in the first place, it's the only portable with the fabulous four fabulous features that make typing easier, faster, and neater. One, the 88-character standard keyboard, exactly like the latest office typewriters. Two, the Miracle Tab. Sets and clears stops in front, makes indenting easier. Three, the large size, sure grip cylinder, so dependable you can type all the way to the bottom of your page and it won't slip. And four, the super strength frame. It helps give shock resistance for years of extra life. Only the quiet writer has the fabulous four, and yet it's so easy to own. You'll find Remington portables complete with a very handsome carrying case, available at list prices of $84.50 to $133.95. And my friends, right now is the best time to see your Remington dealer, because right now he can make you the best deal. The down payment, only $5. After that, $1.50 a week, terms payable monthly, including taxes, and a small carrying charge. So I hope that you'll see your Remington dealer as soon as possible and get the young people in your family a Remington quiet writer. Help bring out the best in them. Oh, and by the way, next week over most of these stations, Leave It to Beaver will change to Wednesday nights. So I suggest that you consult your local paper for the proper time. Right now, back to Beaver.